Hey, what's up guys, Phil here, and this is a review for the Yale Assure Lock 2 Smart Deadbolt with Wi-Fi module. Thank you to Best Buy for sending me this product for free to try. You'll receive the touchpad, interior lock housing, mounting plate, deadbolt latch, strike plate, mounting screws, DoorSense sensor, 4 AA batteries, security screws, reset pin tool, a Wi-Fi module sold separately or as part of a bundle, and installation and user guides. The Assure Lock 2 is our second smart lock from Yale, as we installed the original Yale Assure Lock several years ago. Like the original, this model comes in 2 versions, keyed and keyless, and this is the keyless option, so a physical key won't be available as a backup entry method. However, this lock is equipped with an external emergency battery terminal, so even if the installed batteries go flat, a 9-volt battery is all you'll need to power on the keypad from outside, allowing you to input your code and unlock the door. For fully keyless entry, the door's knob should be left unlocked or replaced with a non-locking knob, and I recommend the latter to eliminate the risk of being locked out accidentally. The installation process for this lock is simple and straightforward, so long as your door fits the requirements. A tear-out ruler in the instruction manual helps you verify all the measurements. The lock includes everything needed to install a deadbolt if your door doesn't already have one. When replacing an existing deadbolt, like I'm doing, setup is even easier, and the only tool required for installation is a Phillips head screwdriver. All you'll need to do is swap out your old latch with the Yale one. The latch's length is adjustable to fit either a 2 3/8 inch backset or 2 3/4 inch backset by simply twisting the neck of the deadbolt. Security screws are included to reinforce the strike plate with longer screws. If your existing borehole is smaller than a 2 1/8 inch diameter, removing the hole adapter allows the external keypad to fit into a 1.5 inch face bore. There are 3 color-coded mounting screws to accommodate different door thicknesses from 1 3/8 inch to 2 1/4 inch. Once you've attached the exterior keypad to the interior bracket, there's only one wire you'll need to plug in. The attachment screws for the electronics are located in the battery bay behind the 4 AA batteries. The included DoorSense sensor communicates to the lock whether the door is open or closed, and it can be installed either on the interior frame adjacent to the lock or flush mounted inside the jamb, and we chose the latter for a cleaner look. This smart lock can pair with your smartphone via Bluetooth, though with the optional Wi-Fi module, you can also connect it to your Wi-Fi network for remote access from anywhere with an internet connection. The lock does not require a separate bridge or gateway for Wi-Fi connections, as the original Assure Lock did, so it's one less piece of equipment to set up. Just remember not to install or remove the Wi-Fi module while the batteries are installed in the lock. After inserting the batteries, the lock will power on. And you can set it up in the Yale Access smartphone app, formerly the August Home app. Adding the lock in the app is simple, and there are guided steps with pictures and video including lock installation. At the end, you'll calibrate the sensor so it can report if the door is open, closed, locked, and unlocked. In the app, you can quickly lock and unlock the door by tapping the button in the middle. Enable voice commands via Alexa. Alexa, lock front door.
Locking. Hang on. The front door is locked.
And create passcodes for multiple users with no limit on the number of codes. For extra security and control, passcodes can be restricted. For example, only usable during specific times and days on a recurring schedule, so dog walkers and cleaning personnel can have temporary access, or have a specific start and end time and date for temporary guests. Just note that when creating scheduled codes, while you can choose multiple days of the week, only one time interval is allowed across all the selected days. You also cannot create the same PIN number for 2 different users, so everyone needs to have a unique 4 to 8-digit passcode. Airbnb hosts will also be able to take advantage of the lock's native integration too, and a temporary entry code can be automatically generated for guests when they book a stay. One quirk of the app, though, is that if you have multiple Yale smart locks installed, for example on the front and back doors, owners will be able to see multiple devices listed under their user profile. However, guest codes are listed individually for each lock separately, and don't list the device until you tap the individual entry. The lock can be set to auto-lock after 10 seconds up to 30 minutes after unlocking, but only when the DoorSense sensor indicates the door is closed. Auto-lock won't engage if the door is detected as open. You can also pause auto-locking using the passage mode button located on the inside lock panel to the upper right of the thumb turn. Pressing this button temporarily disables the auto-lock until the door is manually locked again for brief trips outside, like taking out the trash. There is an auto-unlock feature as well that will automatically unlock the door if you've gone farther than 200 meters from the house and then return later. This feature uses the GPS in your phone to determine your location and requires an internet connection using the Wi-Fi module. You can optionally enable a door ajar notification if the door has been left open for 1 up to 30 minutes by setting up a smart alert in the app. Oddly, there's no event notification option for a jam if the deadbolt fails to engage the plate, though the lock itself will beep when that happens. The touchpad on the outside of the door has a smooth, matte finish and doesn't show fingerprints readily. To wake the lock, touch the keypad and the numbers will light up. The touchpad is responsive and plays an audible sound when a key is pressed. For security, the keypad will time out for 10 seconds up to 3 minutes if there are multiple incorrect code attempts, adjustable from 3 to 10 tries. One Touch Lock lets you lock the unit from the outside by tapping the Yale logo on the keypad. I like this specificity over the Touch Anywhere to Lock function of the original model, as it reduces the likelihood of accidental locking while the door is open. Overall, this lock is simple to set up, has a number of security settings and options, and functions reliably. The only real drawback is that it goes through batteries quickly, since you aren't supposed to use rechargeables. I found that alkaline AA's last anywhere from 1 to 2 months depending on the ambient temperature and frequency of usage, with shorter lifespans during the winter. However, there is a battery life meter in the app that can alert you when there's 20% battery remaining, so you'll have enough time to change them. The LED indicator inside and the gear icon on the keypad will also flash different colors when the batteries are running low. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.